Do you know how big the box is, cubic wise?
I think it's about 10.
Okay. Yeah, definitely big for one. So when this one is, hey, but you got it to at least play something, so.
Yeah, that's
Very nice. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Woo.
It ain't much, but
That's alright. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick, man?
yeah. Chandler, and I got 1-star ZBX 15 on a Sundown SFB 5K.
Okay.
Had 2. I set back. So yeah, that's what I know.
Nice. Did you build this?
I wish, no. A friend of mine did.
So you used to have the 2 subs, and when you went to 1, can you tell a huge difference in output?
Kind of.
Does it feel too big, or does it play lower?
When I had 2, they played a lot lower together.
Yeah.
The box is tuned around 32. But I mean, overall, it's not bad for 115.
Nice. And the port's in the back?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go see that. I'm sure you're ready for the next one to come back, the sub to come back? Yeah.
It comes back today.
It does? Oh, man. Just a few days late. Anyway, can I see the back real quick? Awesome. Thank you. Oh. Do you know how big the box is, cubic wise?
I think it's about 10.
Okay. Yeah, definitely big for one. So when this one is, hey, but you got it to at least play something, so.
Yeah, that's
very nice.
Going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We got a Chandler system. He showcased at the annual Summer Showcase show in Jacksonville, Florida area of 2021. If you haven't already, go ahead and give him a like and comment. He made it to the show even though he was a subwoofer down. Pretty impressive, actually. I was impressed to see how loud a single 15-inch sub got inside of this box. Of course, it is a really big box, even for 2 15s, but even 1 15, of course, it got really low in response, you're going to see. And he gave me a good 3-song demo, got a good bit of outside flex as well. So if you notice the layout of the box in this hatchback, he has optimal amount of space from the back of his hatch to his port, and having his port in the back at the bottom, like a really good optimal amount of port area for 2 15-inch subs, but he got to make it to the show to base out. And if you ever have a subwoofer issue, I've seen a lot of people blow a sub and actually just patch it with a wooden panel. That works really well. The box is going to act a little larger for the subs, but it worked. And the way he has his bracings to his roof, it doesn't look the prettiest, but just that little bracing right there actually helps a lot for the subwoofer flex and a little bit of output for SPL improvement. And the amplifier is in the bottom. I didn't find out what the impedance was. Just going to assume it's at 2 ohm on this amplifier. So that means he's not getting near as much power as the amplifier is made to be rated, since he's normally running 2 subwoofers. And having sub up, port back is always most optimal for a hatchback 90% of the time. It just seems like that's what most people are doing. So we're getting to the demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and enjoy this demo.
Yeah,
very nice. After. All right. Yeah, I love a demo, man.
Okay, if I roll that up.
Yeah, man. Whatever's loudest for you is good for me.
one sub in that big box though, still
Yeah.
playing. I'm sure you're ready for the next one to come back, the sub to come back. Yeah.
It comes back today.
It does? Oh man, just a few days late. What was your name?
Chandler.
Chandler. Jacob, nice to meet you, man.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.